Ho, ho, ho! Welcome, Timmy. Come in, come in. What brings you here on this frosty evening?
Santa, is it really you? I've always wanted to meet you. Your workshop is amazing.
Yes, it's really me. And thank you, Timmy. The elves and I work very hard to make it magical.
Santa, how do you deliver presents to everyone in just one night? And how do your reindeer fly?
Ah, Timmy, those are excellent questions. It's all thanks to a sprinkle of Christmas magic and a lot of teamwork. The reindeer fly with a special golden dust, and my sleigh is powered by the joy and kindness of children around the world.
Wow! That sounds incredible. Do the elves help too?
Absolutely. My elves are the heart of this workshop. They design, build, and wrap every single toy with love. Now, Timmy, tell me, what would you like for Christmas this year? And don't forget to tell me about the good deeds you've done.
I'd love a robot kit so I can build cool gadgets. And for my good deed, I helped my little sister learn how to ride her bike.
That's wonderful, Timmy. Helping others is what the true spirit of Christmas is all about. I'll see what I can do about that robot kit.
Thank you, Santa. I'll keep being good, I promise.
Ho, ho, ho! Thank you for visiting, Timmy. Remember to spread kindness and joy. Merry Christmas.
Goodbye, Santa. I'll never forget this magical day. Merry Christmas.